There, I'm Mark Johnson, and my company's Artisan Restoration, and we're in Wayzata today looking at a log home that was built 40 years ago. And I'm really impressed. Most homes that are 40 years old are suffering from a certain amount of deferred maintenance and neglect. And this house obviously did not have to endure that. And one of the things that has saved it is a generous overhang. It's almost a 24-inch overhang on the back here. And then, of course, on the front, we've got almost 6-7 foot of overhang. And that has really served this place well. The only problem is that the owners, they painted it. And they kept it up pretty good. There's quite a few layers of paint on this home. I did a little scraping with a pocket knife, and it's going to be difficult to take off, which is why the owner has called on us to find out what it's going to cost to remove all the paint and get this thing to look like a log home should look. So it's going to be a difficult job. Just trying to get all those posts done uniformly, and then do the bottoms of the overhang and the pole rafters. I mean, this is going to take a lot of time. The caulking has got some issues where it's failed a little bit here and there, but it's mainly due to settlement because there isn't very much damage towards the bottom of the building where there's the least amount of settlement. So anyway, it's going to be a spendy job, as we'd say. So we'll crunch some numbers, and we'll see whether or not these people have a budget that'll be able to afford that. So the other than sandblasting, or medium blasting as we call it, because we don't use sand so much anymore. We usually use ground up or crushed glass, recycled glass. So anyway, the other alternative would be to use a chemical stripper, and I don't think that that's going to work very well. A lot of people don't like to see the chemicals dumped on their property anyway. So we'll look at doing sandblasting as our option, and I think we'll do a test up here before we actually commit to anything. So check us out on our website. It's artisanrestorationmn.com, and we're on Facebook, and this will be on YouTube someday.